Hi, welcome to the Nail Tips Show. My name is Ryan.
My name is Joanne. Thanks for joining us. Think about the last time you walked into a nail salon. That sharp chemical smell that hits you right at the door. It almost feels like a warning, doesn't it? We've accepted this idea that to have beautiful, strong nails, we have to subject them to harsh acrylics, scraping, and damage. But why does beauty so often feel like a compromise with our health?
It's a classic trade-off. Historically, if you wanted durability, you had to opt for rigid, heavy materials that essentially suffocated the natural nail. But things are shifting. There is a new approach focusing on flexible support rather than rigid armor. Imagine a bridge that sways in the wind instead of snapping. That is what modern gel technology, specifically things like U-gel, is trying to do for our nails.
That analogy of the swaying bridge is interesting because traditional acrylics feel like concrete. They don't give. So when you hit your nail, it breaks, and it takes your natural nail with it. If this new gel acts as a flexible shield, how does it actually hold up to daily wear and tear?
That is the beauty of it. It offers this weightless, natural feel, but because it bends with your nail instead of resisting it, it dramatically reduces peeling and breakage. It allows the natural nail underneath to actually breathe and grow stronger over time. Plus, it completely eliminates that toxic chemical odor during application, which makes the whole experience feel like self-care rather than a chemical experiment.
It sounds like a massive relief for anyone with sensitive skin or eyes, but I have to ask about the longevity. Usually, when a product claims to be gentle or natural, the immediate worry is that it won't last, or that it will turn yellow and chip after a few days.
And that is a valid concern. However, the chemistry here is designed to be non-lifting and resistant to yellowing. You get that high gloss, salon fresh shine for weeks without the constant need for touch-ups. It is really about finding that sweet spot where elegance meets resilience.
It makes you wonder how many other beauty standards we tolerate simply because we assume there isn't a healthier alternative. Maybe the future of self-care isn't about hiding our natural selves under layers of defense, but finding ways to let them grow stronger underneath. Something to think about the next time you look at your hands.
Definitely. Thanks for listening with us. We'll see you next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye now.